Welcome to 1878 East Ocean View Avenue. This third floor condo boasts over 1,000 square feet of living space. We'll get down that way in a minute. First of all, we're going to head this way. Unit features an updated HVAC system, in-unit washer and dryer, features one full bath and 2 bedrooms. And it's been, as you can see, updated floor to ceiling. Two bedrooms. This is the smaller of the two. Plenty of closet space. Water heater, extra storage, and then the very large second bedroom. Again, with lots of closet space. Hardwood laminate floors, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, under cabinet lighting, dining area, lots and lots of natural light. Fresh paint, all neutral colors, wood burning fireplace with a handcrafted mantel. Furniture is negotiable. And then there's the view. This is a waterfront condo. Out on your private deck. Come home, have a seat, let the stress of the day just melt away. Private access. If interested, please contact your realtor. I think I'm done for the day, and I'm just going to have a seat and enjoy the view. Thanks.